guys. So today I'm going to unbox and unwrap this. These are some of the probably refill brushes head from Brush Oral Care that I did unbox last time. So our brush heads I need to replace, so I guess they come every 6 months. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. Not sure why one of them is from the envelope, the other one's from the box. Got two of this in a black brush box. And it says wipe heads kit. Looks like exactly the same. Alright, so you got the brush head with the clear cover. And there's that special texture for you to clean your tongue, in case you guys don't know that. So. Let's go and see what we got in here. So more in here. I'm not sure why they didn't ship it in the same box like that. What a waste. Unless my wife order separately. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total we have 7 sets. Yeah, so all of them are the same, so I'm not going to open all of them up because some of this for different people. They don't, you're gonna think that somebody opened already, so. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.